Hello everyone, my name is June Kim,
And my name's Samantha Paraggua.
and this is an app called iGo. I represent University of Illinois students, and Go means go to U of I's 25 landmarks.
So the first thing we had to do was implement a Google Maps API because we are using Google Maps. And the first job that I had to do was get the location permission as a pop-up, just to make sure that we get obviously the user's permission. And then afterwards, I had to figure out how I'm supposed to access the device's location.
And then I created 25 pinpoints, which should be the markers here. I figured out the latitude and longitude of 25 landmarks. So here I named University of Illinois, alma mater, and like other 20 the UIUC landmarks here. Here we go. As we start working on the checklist, it's in the scrolling activity. So I created checkbox variables to call it from here. Once it is called, I put the title here: University of Illinois, alma mater, Armory, Granger Engineering Library Information Center. This will pop up once we demo our app later. If we click checklist, it's going to show these titles. And I also created toast. So whenever the variable is checked, it's going to show a special toast. Like if Memorial Stadium is checked, it will show Go Illinois, like that.
Okay, so then what I had to do is we had one big problem where when we exited the activity or when we exited the checklist, none of the checks were saving. So I had to figure out how to save each of those checks. So I had to make these two functions as well as have another function where I check each checkbox for each location.
So for the last part, we did the splash screen together, and I asked my friend to create the logo. This is the logo that he created for us, and it's gonna show when we demo our app later.
And then I just had to make two text views to credit us for the app. So now let's demo the app.
Okay, so we decided to demo our app through Sam's phone since it generates our current location. So there's a iGo app right there.
Okay, here we go. So there's the splash screen with the logo and then our names credited at the bottom. And then here's the permission pop-up. I'm gonna go ahead and allow it with the navigation button on top, getting our current location, which is that blue dot. And then here we have all 25 locations. We tried to spread them out, but I mean, it only goes so much. But we're actually filming this video right now at Siebel. Of course, had to be one of the landmarks. But a couple other ones we have is the Morrow Plots, the bookstore, the Spurlock Museum, and so on. And then here we have the checklist that June was mainly working on.
And we actually split the part. I took like 12 lines and Sam got like 13 lines.
Oh yeah, for the toast.
Yep.
So then when you click one, you get a toast pop up, and we tried to be funny. We tried to make them a little like odd or whatever. So let's see, like for the round dairy barn, it says, "Was that a cow?" Something like, I don't know. It was just all really weird. And then as mentioned earlier about the saves, where I was having a problem with it, it does now save successfully, luckily. So yeah, that's pretty much our app.
Thank you so much.